In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Revolut. Step 1. Get your Revolut account details. Open Revolut, select the desired currency, and view account details. Open the IBAN, SWIFT, BIC account number, or local details you need. Step 2. Log into Wise and choose Send Money. Log into wise.com or the app, then click Send Money on your Wise dashboard. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 3. Add Revolut as a recipient. Select Add a recipient, then paste Revolut's bank details and ensure the name matches your Revolut account. Step 4. Enter amount and currency. Input the amount and select the transfer currency. Choose local or SWIFT method depending on Revolut's details. Step 5. Review fees and timing. Wise will display transparent fees and estimated delivery time. Review and confirm before sending. Step 6. Select payment method. Pick your funding method. This can be Wise Balance, bank or card. Complete the payment to start the transfer. Step 7. Track your transfer. Monitor the transfer in Wise. Your Revolut account should be credited according to the delivery estimate. You'll receive notifications on completion. Now I have some tips for you for Wise to Revolut transfers. Always double check all recipient details to avoid delays. Use euros as the transfer currency for instant European transfers if available. Revolut may take time to credit received SWIFT or local transfers depending on their policies. And that's how you transfer from Wise to Revolut. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments.